Hello Mzansi, welcome to Ask Khuluma with Brief. Today is your first time visiting this channel. Please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. Inyanga yetimbokodo ke lena mhla ka 9 August ukuthi bekuyi National Women's Day and taxi drivers balaphana eMshezi they decided to wear maphinifa guys timpahla ate bafati bafake ma weave ma makeup njena to celebrate abafati timbokodo njengoba kusase ngiyo phela inyanga yetimbokodo ke sana. So bebabanhle bobhuti laphayana nabo babe ba makeup ile ngiyakutshela wena wawungeke ubabone nkosi yami ngiyothuseka ukuthi abasiwo madoda kanti madoda abantu bababe emakhaya laba ke sana they decided ukuthi baspende ilanga labo ba drive bagqokele tiyati impahla babungade njena abantu besifazane. It was something lebesicala kuyibona ke kanize yavela nalaphana aku-SABC 1 etindzabeni lapho bakhuluma ngabantu basho ukuthi ayi cha yaze yayinhle into nkosi yami ayabo taxi driver ubabuke wena nkosi yami serious. Please subscribe, share this video, comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. I'm signing out, so goodbye.